Organizers, get ready to see a new and easier than ever to use experience when it comes to managing your events lead retrieval from within the Boomset web platform. Your days of providing unique email addresses per lead retrieval user and juggling multiple accounts are over. All you need to do now is create an exhibitor profile, and the exhibitor can take care of the rest. You can also choose to do the work for the exhibitor with the simple steps that we'll outline in this video. Please watch carefully since the steps to activate a lead retrieval license have changed. Let's start by having a look at the lead retrieval settings to see what's new. As always, there's the license fee option where exhibitors can purchase their licenses. Once turned on, you'll notice there's a new public purchase link. This is the place that your exhibitors can purchase their licenses online without going into the app. Be sure to click Save below before you copy and send this link to your exhibitors. This is what the purchase page looks like. Your exhibitors can easily purchase their license from here by simply adding their credit card information. Please note, if you choose to turn on license fee for the event, this public purchase link will be activated and accessible to anyone who receives it. Once your exhibitor has purchased their license, their QR code will be sent to them so they can activate it. We'll explain how this works later in this video. This exhibitor will now appear in your Manage Exhibitors section. Let's head there now. Here in the Manage Exhibitors section, you can control all your exhibitors, see how they've been added to the platform, and check the status of their license activation. As the organizer, you now have a nice master view of an added exhibitor's license status and their redemption type. You also have access to their unique QR code identifier and can resend it to each exhibitor at any time should they request it. This Manage Exhibitors page is also where you can add an exhibitor profile for the first time. Simply click the Add Exhibitor option here or on the main dashboard, where you can directly enter their contact information. Once the contact's details are added, they'll receive an email with a QR code and information on how to proceed. We'll show you what this looks like in a moment. When adding an exhibitor, you can choose how to cover the cost of their lead retrieval license. If you add an exhibitor contact and choose to pay for their license using your lead retrieval credits, the cost of the license will be deducted from your subscription's lead retrieval credit balance. If you do not choose to cover the cost of the license, you can invite the added exhibitor contact to purchase it on their own. And if you, the organizer, prefer to be the sole facilitator of your event's lead retrieval licenses, Boomset makes it easy to remain as the main point of contact for each added exhibitor. You can be as hands-on throughout the entire experience as you'd like. Remember that it's up to the organizer's discretion to determine how to distribute lead retrieval licenses for their events. For any questions or concerns, please connect with your Boomset representative. The new experience on the app itself begins from this email an exhibitor contact receives. The email invites them to scan the QR code they've been sent, or, if viewing the email on the device being used to scan leads, directly tap the Click to Begin button, which will automatically open the app. The app will guide exhibitors through the sign-in process. The QR code acts as the redemption of a license for the first login on the lead retrieval app. They'll have the option to remain as a guest and immediately access the event they're currently participating in, no event selection or filtering required. They can also choose to move forward using or creating their own Boomset account if they'd like. To learn more about signing into the lead retrieval app as a guest and using the QR code, please visit our help desk and video tutorials.